Today, I'll show you how to add a Jotform to your Canva website. Whether you're looking to create a contact form, a survey, or any type of data collection form on your site, integrating Jotform with Canva can be a seamless process. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get this done, ensuring your website is interactive and user-friendly. Let's begin by heading over to Canva's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in canva.com. Once you're there, sign in using your account details if you haven't already. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, so you should be on your main dashboard in no time. Next, you need to redirect yourself to your website within Canva. This means you'll be looking for the project where your website is saved. If you have multiple projects, you might need to scroll through them to find the correct one. Once you've found it, click on it to open your website project. With your website project now open, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options, one of which is labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section of Canva is where you'll find various third-party integrations that can enhance your design and functionality capabilities. After clicking Apps, you'll need to search for Jotform. There should be a search bar or search option within the Apps section. Type Jotform into the search bar and wait for the results to populate. Once you see Jotform appear in the list of results, click on it to start the integration process. Now that you've clicked on Jotform, you'll see an option labeled Your Forms. This is where you'll manage all the forms you've created or plan to create. Click on your forms to proceed. If you haven't created any forms yet, don't worry, you can start from scratch right here. On the next screen, you should see an option to start for free. Jotform offers a free tier that is perfect for small projects, or if you're just experimenting with form functionalities, click on Start for free to explore the features Jotform has to offer without any initial cost. Finally, you'll want to click Connect. By doing this, you'll be linking your Jotform account with your Canva website, allowing you to embed forms directly onto your site. This connection process might prompt you to log into your Jotform account if you haven't already. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a Jotform to your Canva website. This integration not only enhances the functionality of your site, but also makes it more interactive, allowing visitors to engage with your content more effectively. By following these steps, you've made the process smooth and straightforward. Thanks for watching and happy designing.